Hi, good afternoon. Eileen on Wheels here, and we're going to do a really quick upgrade to the headlight, so we'll take you through it. We've had a lot of success with this headlight. We had it on our Victory for about 2 years now, and this is the same upgrade we're going to do to our Indian. So this is going to be your standard 5 3/4 LED headlight. If you like this and you want to do this upgrade to your bike, please click on the link, the affiliate link below. And this is really easy, really inexpensive upgrade you can do to your bike. So what you're going to need is a screwdriver or an electric screwdriver like I have, and just unscrew this one screw at the bottom. So next you're going to pull the ring out, and it should come out just very easily, just like this. Once you remove the ring out, you're going to pull this bad boy out, just like so, and then these two wires. One thing that we found is that there's 4 retainer clips, and what you're going to do, you're going to take a flathead screwdriver and just pop it out just like so, and there's 4 of them. So what you're going to do next is going to put the ring back on, and you're going to line up the bottom with the bigger light at the bottom. That's how you're going to orientate it. So what we found is that you need to push this whole thing in. So this part is showing, so you have to push it all the way in. And then these retainer clips right here, what you're going to do is orientate them like that, and then you're going to take a flat head screwdriver and then pop it into place. So you're going to hook your cord back in. So just a heads up for you guys, these 2 wires right here that we disconnected at the beginning will no longer be needed. So we had to take the Memphis shades off in order to get this in correctly. So you're going to go from the top like that and make sure that you don't disconnect any of the retainer clips. Okay, final step is just to screw this until it's tight. Now we're going to go ahead and check the functionality, turn on the low beams and high beams. All right guys, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you have any questions on this install. Please put them in the comments below. Other than that, be safe out there, whether on 4 wheels or 2.